Hello everyone, my name is Arvind Kumar, working as a SAP Junior Basis Administrator in Codeplexus Private Limited. Welcome to our channel. Now we are going to see some examples by creating OTP for SAP NetWeaver Java systems. Introduction. Multi-factor authentication is a method of computer access control in which a user is only granted access after successfully presenting several separate pieces of evidence to authentication mechanism. Typically, at least two of the following categories should be known. One is knowledge, something they know. Second, possession, something they have. And third is inherence, something they are. This two-factor authentication is a subset of multi-factor authentication. Just a type of MFA where you only need two pieces of evidence, that is two-factor. For example, at the ATM, that means you have your PIN, something you know, and your card, something you have. When you log into Google, Twitter or LinkedIn, or you make a purchase on Amazon, you can use the two-step validation to require your password, something you know, and a special text sent to your phone, something you have. If you don't have your password and your phone, you don't get it. Now, how to set one-time password authentication to SAP NetWeaver Java system. Example, setting up login either with password or with passcode. Now, let us take one scenario. Kumar is an administrator at Codeplexus Private Limited. He has an application protected with user email and a password. Now, he wants to configure a system to require authentication with a passcode in addition to the password. Here, passcode is nothing but OTP is generated by the user. Steps to do. First one, SAP NetWeaver administrator which need to access the NetWeaver portal by giving HTTPS hostname and the port /NWA. By entering that portal, we see configurations tab. Under that, net authentication and single sign-on. And under that, authentication components and replacing the existing basic password login module with OTP login module in authentication. Stack of application. So here we need to go to a configuration tab and next authentication on single sign-on tab. By choosing authentication components and replacing the exiting basic password login module with TOTP login module in the authentication tag of the application. Second one, add a login module option for TOTP login module with the name of user mapping mode and the value is email. This allows the customize the login application to correctly visualize the required user principal. Third step, add a login module option with name basic password login module, user map mode and the email value is give the email. This instructs the basic password login module to resolve the user by his or her email. Fourth one, on the one-time password administration UI, that is we need to go to other portal, that is hostname, port and SSO at admin/OTP. On settings tab, specify the basic password login module in the first factor login module field. Once the configuration has been completed, all the employees of the Codeplexus Private Limited will be able to log on to the system by the entering an email address and the password or an email address and the passcode generated by the authenticator mobile application. Second example, setting up logging with certificate and a passcode. Now, Kumar is the administrator of Codeplexus Private Limited. He has an application protected by X509 certificate authentication, and he wants to add a passcode as second factor. Assume the CN field of the employer's certificate contains their corporate email ID, and the application is already protected by client certificate logon module. Now Kumar has to do the following steps to do. First thing, we need to enter into the portal, that is https under slash host name and the port name slash NWA. Now as soon as we enter to that with the administrator user and password, so we can see configuration tab. Under that we can see authentication and single sign on, and we can see authentication components and replacing the existing client certificate logon module with TOTP logon module in the authentication stack of the application. So we can see here we need to replace the certified client CERT login module with TOTP login module in the authentication stack of the application. Second step, add the login module with option client CERT login module dot rule 1 dot user mapping mode with the value of email. Third one, add the login module option client certificate login module dot rule 1 attribute name with value of CN. Fourth one, add login module option of client certificate login module dot rule 1 dot get user form with the value of subject name. On fifth step, we need to generate OTP on as a field first factor login module. By using this step, first we need to go to one-time password administration UI at host https hostname and port number /sso admin /OTP. In the settings tab, specify client certificate login mobile in the field first factor login module and save the configurations. Once this configuration has been completed, all the employees of the Codeplexus Private Limited will be able to log on to the protected application by providing their certificates and by entering the passcode as well. Thank you.